From the start, I lost my step deep within your eyes and your soft silhouette. The way you move, both gentle and wild. If only I could feel you for a while. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I can't eat, I can't sleep no more. Haunted by your scent through every open door. Try to breathe, try to reach for you, but all I feel is hollow coming through. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I am fading more and more. You are the part I can't let go. Can't let go, go, go. Can't